Here I have Nokia G60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable video stabilization in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, like just switch to the video mode, and tap on this second icon here, and as you can see, video stable, video unstable. So yeah, that's how you can switch this mode, just by tapping on this icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.